Thanks to the revolutionary 3-season Danby home comfort system, it's never been so easy to keep cool and comfortable. The energy-efficient unit offers unmatched convenience, combining an air conditioner, large-capacity dehumidifier, and powerful 3-speed fan. Fresh air from outside is drawn in through the air intake hose, chilled, and blown into the room. The powerful 3-speed fan distributes the cool air farther, thereby cooling the room faster. The excess moisture is removed from the air and collects in a reservoir beneath the condenser coil. At a predetermined height, a pump automatically activates, causing the water to be cascaded across the tubes and fins of the condenser coil. The cascading water cools the condenser coil, improving efficiencies and performance. Heat transferred from the coils to the water accelerates evaporation of the water. Evaporated water in the form of warm, humid air is expelled outside through the exhaust hose. In dehumidifier mode, condensed water can be pumped directly to the external bucket or emptied directly into a floor drain.